Hi, I'm Kim Weaver, Energy Services Manager for Rocky Mount Public Utilities. Prior to the holidays, the students at Englewood Elementary School created presentations that offered some great tips for holiday safety and energy conservation. Listen closely as these students share with you some valuable information on how you can conserve energy for the holidays next year and throughout 2013.
Hi, you're watching Walking with Walker, and I'm your host, Walker Thompson, and the walking tip for the day is energy conservation for the holidays. And today we have two special guests, Professor Dalton Combsford and Professor Eli Bass. And Dalton, you're a kitchen tips expert. Why do glass pans conserve more energy than darker pans?
They conserve more energy because they use 25 degrees less heat when you're cooking or baking, and it's not using all the energy to heat the oven, so it's saving you money and saving energy for the world.
Okay. Eli, you're a holiday safety expert. When I'm decorating, I like to use a lot of lights. What are some general tips for when I'm decorating?
Never leave your lights on all night, and always make sure your lights are working.
Okay. Dalton, why is it better to air dry than using the drying cycle in the dishwasher?
It's better to air dry because it's not using all the heat in the dishwasher to dry the dishes, and it's saving you money and electricity, and it can just air dry. It might take a little longer, but it's saving you energy and money.
Eli, why don't I use too many lights when I'm decorating?
You do not use too many lights when you're decorating because it wastes a lot of energy, and if the lights get overheated, they can blow and start a fire.
Okay, Dalton, why is it better to use cold water than hot water when washing dishes?
It's better to use cold water because it's not using all the energy to heat the water, and soap nowadays can do the same thing with cold water than with hot water, so it's saving you money and electricity.
Okay, Eli, why shouldn't I leave combustibles near hazardous places?
You shouldn't leave combustibles in your hazardous places because if it's like an open flame, it can catch onto the combustible, then it will spread all over your house, then your house will burn down.
Okay, before we leave, I would like to give you some tips for your lighting. Make sure your outdoor lights have the UL label on them. Consider buying LED lights because they conserve 90% more energy. Don't use overheated light bulbs because they could pop and spread glass everywhere. Well, that's all we have for today, folks. So see you next time on Walking with Walker. And happy holidays.